Let's learn how to crochet the small flower coaster. Take out the white yarn and wrap it. Form a loop. Insert the crochet hook through this loop. Pull the yarn through. First chain 1 CH1. Yarn over yo. One half double crochet HDC. Place a marker on the first stitch. Need to crochet 9 half double crochets HDC into this loop. After 9 half double crochets are done, let's look. One like this of shape is 1 stitch. This is 1 stitch. Let's count. Then tighten the loop. At the marker position, join with a slip stitch street. Pull through, then pull through again, then pull tight. Then chain 1 CH1. Then yarn over yo. At the marker position, crochet a half double crochet increase HDC ink. Place marker on the first stitch. Keep this strand on top of the hook to weave in the end. This is the first set of half double crochet increases. Need to crochet 9 sets total. After weaving in this back strand for a few stitches, you can cut it off. This round should have 18 stitches after finishing. Slip stitch street at the marker position. Then chain 1 CH1. Start the third round. The pattern for the third round is first crochet 1 half double crochet HDC. Then crochet 1 half double crochet increase HDC ink. This is 1 set. Need to crochet 9 sets total. After finishing, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Fasten off. Need to change color CC into the previous slip stitch. Pull yarn through. Chain 1 CH1, then the pattern for the fourth round. First crochet to half double crochets HDC, then crochet 1 double crochet increase DC ink. This is one set. Need to crochet 9 sets total. Okay. After finishing, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Then chain to CH2. The pattern for the fifth round is first crochet for double crochets DC, then crochet to double crochet increases DC ink. For double crochets, then crochet to double crochet increases. Need to crochet 6 sets total. After finishing, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Then chain 1 CH1. Hook, yarn over yo. First crochet for half double crochets HDC. Then crochet 1 double crochet. Then crochet to double crochet increases. Then crochet 1 double crochet DC. This counts as one set. Need to crochet 6 sets total. After the last stitches, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Then chain 1 CH1. The shape of the petal is now visible. Hook, yarn over yo. Crochet the 7th round. First crochet for half double crochets HDC. Then crochet 6 double crochet increases DCing. This is the first set. For half double crochets, 6 double crochets increases. Need to crochet 6 sets total. After crocheting to the last stitch, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. After the slip stitch, chain 1 CH1. Then crochet the 8th round. First crochet for single crochets SC. After 4 single crochets are done, crochet 12 double crochets DC. This is one set. Need to crochet 6 sets total. After the last stitch is done, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Then chain 10 CH10. Then into the first stitch. Crochet a slip stitch as L street. Then chain 1, CH1, fasten off. Pull tight. This way a hanging loop. You can also choose not to crochet the hanging loop. Shape it a bit. One small flower coaster is completed, then woven in this yarn tail.